has always been viewed as a store of value, a hedge against inflation. But is gold outdated? An ounce of gold is around $2,300, and it is up over 400% in the last 20 years, but it can be a cumbersome investment. I mean, what are you gonna have, like a closet full of gold bricks in your house? I mean, this is 5 grams. It's nothing. Nowadays, there are just so many more alternatives or options that are hedges against inflation. For example, there are Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, or TIPS. You can read more about them on Investopedia. There are also other commodities that you can invest in, not just gold and silver, but commodities like wheat, agriculture, cattle. And I know this is going to ruffle some feathers as well, but a lot of people view certain cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation. But this gold is just gold. I'm not getting a dividend. I'm not getting rental property income. I'm not staking my cryptocurrency. But that doesn't mean that gold is bad. It can still be a part of your portfolio. A lot of investors like the fact that you can hold it, that it's tangible, that it's something real, unlike a stock or a bond or a CD or something like that. It does allow you to diversify, and during times of uncertainty, whether it's political or economic, people like to invest in gold. It gives them peace of mind, and it's gold. You can buy it, you can sell it anywhere in the world. Gold isn't bad as a part of a diversified portfolio. Now, maybe you don't want to insure and rent physical storage space to secure your physical gold if you have bricks of it. Maybe you want to invest in a gold ETF like GLD. Or maybe you think gold is outdated and you don't want to invest in it. Investing is personal. It's your choice. Make sure you smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.